After 3 months, this motorcycle has to survive 20,000 kilometers to Central Asia. Today, I will go to my friend and mechanic's garage to see what its current condition is after 90,000 kilometers. Now, the moment of truth. What will be the result? Пацо, какво очакваме? Прогнозата каква е? Perfect. Let's see. We're gonna change many different things, like wheel bearing front and rear, the bearing on the sprocket carrier as well. We're gonna inspect loop and clean the linkage. We're gonna change the forks oil. We're gonna inspect the steering column bearing. Most importantly, we're gonna check the valve clearance now at the moment, and a few more things. So a lot of work. Let's begin. Process is going. The first good news is that the steering column bearing are perfectly fine. We're gonna only lube them properly. We drained the antifreeze. We're gonna change it because it is 5 years old. To have access to the valves, it's not an easy job. It's good that we don't need to make it very often, but once per 100,000 kilometers is fine. The same applies to the spark plugs. Getting better, but still far from perfect. Good luck to change your spark plugs on the road. It's gonna be a very difficult job, if possible at all. We need 4 hands, 1 cameraman to extract the spark plugs. I also have a new design for this toolbox, a little bit different, and with locking nut here. So we're gonna replace it with the one that I have. All the details about the person who make it I'll leave in the description, so you can contact him if you need it. 4 bolts on the top of cylinder head cover are such a difficult places. The first 2 are here, but the rears are so bad. Very difficult to remove it because of the camshafts and everything. Не ти трябва fitness. Very difficult job. It goes out in very specific position. It's very difficult job. Maybe it will be easy just to put the whole engine down, but we didn't want to do that. At least one thing is easy. Intake. The first cylinder is 016.
Cylinder 015.
Second cylinder 015. And specifications were from 11 to 20. 011 to 020. The exhausts are 025, 024. Now, this is the situation at the moment. Intakes specifications from 011 to 020. At the moment we have on one cylinder 016, 015, on the second 014, 014. Still in specifications. Exhaust specifications 024 to 030. We have 025, 024, 024, 024 on the bottom line of specifications, but I'm not gonna do anything right now. I hope they will last another 20, 30, maybe 40,000 kilometers. And after that I have to change the timing chain anyway, and when we change the timing chain we're gonna adjust the valves as well. So at the moment, that's it, we close here. Look at the condition of the spark plugs after about 30,000 kilometers. I don't know what you are able to see, but we're gonna measure it now, but I'm sure that they're still fine. But anyway, I'm gonna change it.
0,75.
Колко трябва да бъде?
0,7.
0.75. We're gonna change the oil in the forks. It's perfectly clean after 30,000 kilometers plus. For those of who was skeptic about the neoprene socks, look at the condition of the forks after 90,000 kilometers. No dents, no marks, no rust, no scratches, nothing. In perfect condition. Here we go, the new spark plugs. This is what we're talking about. When you have the neoprene socks, the mud and dust and sand cannot actually access to the dust and oil seals, and they look perfect after 90,000 kilometers. So basically no real need to change spark plugs before 30, maybe 40, 50,000 kilometers. They will last perfectly. But anyway, just as a peace of mind, I changed them. These are the original brake pads at 90,000 kilometers. People will think that I just don't use the brakes, but this is the reality. Finally, the cover is on. The bolts are tightened. Good to clean this pre-filter. Perfect. In the Cayenne as well. I haven't cleaned it from a long time because now I have this foam pre-filter and it protects it, but it's good to be clean. As I told you at the beginning, these bearings looks fine, but we're gonna open it just to lube it properly. Very good. No dents, no scratches, all good. 90,000 kilometers so far.
Ще може да се научат.
Perfect. For 90,000 kilometers it's good. Пацо, какво ще кажеш за 90 000 км?
Още толкова.
Още толкова. I am the first who is going to try this wonderful and quality grease. Fantastic. Oh, green color. The same as the colors of Motor X.
Филм ти ще кажеш, че не ползвам ръкавици.
Fresh oil. 5W. Never forget that everything you do before the trip will help you during the trip. I talk a lot about this on my online course Adventure Riding Without Illusions. The idea is to learn how to predict problems instead of dealing with them on the road. Link in the description. Perfect. Now everything is ready to be installed. The original wheel bearing on 90,000 kilometers are in perfect condition. No rust, no sticky sounds, nothing. Perfect. Ари, Пацо, до тук добре. Както се казва на английски, so far so good. It looks like motorcycle already. I'm happy. The moment of truth. Perfect. Operation successful so far. Just to check that everything is alright. Then we're gonna move to the rear side where we're gonna inspect the swingarm, linkage and the wheel bearings. Now the dirty job. All of this mess unfortunately need to be cleaned. The linkage, the wheel bearings and everything needs to be inspected. The swingarm bearings as well. It's a lot of garbage here from the chain, but this is different from the rest too. Still fine. $90,000 kilometers, still in perfect condition. I am surprised. And this is the sprocket carrier bearing, which usually go first. Real wheel bearings also in perfect condition. Man, everything is built really to last. Outside, not good. Important is what we're gonna have inside. We'll see the condition of the bearings. There are different type of bearings, like a needle bearings or something like that. Don't make this at home. He's fine. He's drinking like 100 grams per day just for tonus. Look at the bushings, like new. No dents, no marks, no scratches, nothing. See the bearings, clean. I don't know what the camera can show you, but they are in perfect conditions. All needles are there. What we're gonna do, just re-grease them and put them back together. Now it's the time to the swing out. Will it get out? We need big hammer. Тя пък е лесно ще излезе.
Вече дори че не е на корен. Глицирана ли бе?
Глицирана нова е. Перфект. Perfect. Yamaha grease. Perfect inside, all clean. We'll only lube it and put everything back together. Almost ready. It took all day, but the result will be good. Много благодаря за работата. Пиши. Alright, I spent all day here. Now it's 5:30, basically more than 8-9 hours, but the most important things are already done. A few more small details are left, but they will be done before I take off to my trip. Now I'll go back to the garage and we'll complete this video. I'm very happy, very long but very productive day. I changed almost everything that I have to change before my next trip, and the total cost of everything plus labor all the parts and labor was 250 euros. Keep in mind that I lived in Bulgaria and the mechanic is my friend, but it is still very affordable price for everything that we have done. Now these are the old bearings and you can see they're in perfect condition. They're moving very well. This one has just a little maybe dirt spots here, but they all work fantastic. Even the dust seals are in good condition. That's why I'm gonna take all of this as a spare. This is the sprocket carrier bearing and 2 more for the rear wheel and 2 for the front wheel, all in perfect condition after 90,000 kilometers. Spark plugs at the moment are on around 35,000 kilometers. They are also in perfect condition. The distance here is 75, which is about the same as the original 0.75. Nothing to worry about them. That's why I will also take this as a spare with me. But I have new spark plugs, and as you saw on the video, it's a big pain in the ass to do it when you're on the road. What else needs to be changed? Clutch plates, but I'm gonna change them maybe at the beginning of June. I plan to take off on the 15th. I will change it, let's say, on the 1st, and I will have 2 weeks to test that everything is fine. I will also change the sprockets and chain before I go. I will change the oil as well, but all of this will be done before. I wanted to do all of this right now, not before the trip, because now at the beginning of April, I need to go to Croatia with the motorcycle. I'll cross Bulgaria, Serbia, then Croatia, spend a few days over there, and come back to Bulgaria. This trip to Croatia also will give me the chance to test the motorcycle in real travel conditions before I go. And that's about everything. Thank you very much for taking the time. Check the links below and see you in the next video. Ciao.